She's the worst. Doesn't flush her own shit. Leaves vegetables on the plate.
Oi, boy.
Ah! Hey, shit, devil. Your fucking shit is stuck and I can't get it cleared. Huh?
A promise is a promise. I'll let you feel my breasts, so go for it.
Wait, what? Holy shit.
Look, how'd you like it? You're happy now, right? Squeeze, squeeze.
She's an angel.
The number of times you get to squeeze is 3.
3 squeezes?
One is for saving Yakko, the second is for killing Bat, and the third's for covering me with that top knot boy. I was lying when I said you could feel it before, but as a reward for your hard work, you can have 3 squeezes, so be grateful and squeeze.
Huh?
It feels so good.
What's this?
Breast pads. A miraculous item that you can stick to your breasts to make them bigger. Alright, 2 squeezes left. Oh. Okay, 1 left. Alright, the end. That's all. So, felt good, right?
There's a lot of things I want to say, but... Huh? That's it?
Aren't you glad you got to feel something so good? Now we're even. Looking forward to working with ya. Now that Nika's been rescued, there's no need for me to be a devil hunter anymore. But there's no getting away from Makima, so I'll help you out with your job. Yeah. Yakko, time for bed.
That's it?